Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in your settings on Windows 11. So how to do this, let's get started. First, what you need to do is get over to your start menu and then search for view network connections. Click on this, and then if your Ethernet is disabled, just right click on it and then click on enable. After this, if your problem still occurs, what you need to do is get over to your task manager again and then search for troubleshoot settings. Click on troubleshoot settings and then click on other troubleshooters. Now click on network and internet and then click on run. Once you do this, it will run all the diagnostic settings and it will try to fix your problem. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.